Kubota Harvester PRO-688Q review. Real proof this combine earns its place every harvest season.
Picture this. The crop is fully ready, the weather window is closing fast, and your harvester breaks down halfway through the field without warning. A farmer I spoke to lost 2 full days of harvest last season because his machine could not handle muddy conditions and kept stalling mid-row. Exhausting does not even begin to cover it. Drop a comment if harvest season has ever felt like a race you were already losing. That grinding pressure of watching a ripened crop sit idle while weather and time work against you is genuinely suffocating. Every hour of delay is yield lost, money abandoned in the field, and trust eroded with contracted buyers expecting delivery. A co-op manager I know cycled through 3 different machines in 5 years, chasing reliability that never appeared. Relief felt distant. But there is a clearly better path available now. That path leads directly to the Kubota Harvester PRO-688Q full feed combine harvester. And once you see it working in real conditions, the logic becomes immediately obvious. Do not just pick any combine harvester. Make sure it has a longitudinal axial flow threshing system so you never experience grain loss from incomplete separation or a blocked cylinder ever again. The PRO-688Q handles cutting, threshing, separation, and cleaning in one single efficient pass. No second run needed, no leftover field mess. The 450mm rubber crawler tracks distribute the machine's weight across soft, paddy soil without sinking, while the hydrostatic transmission allows speed and direction control through one smooth lever, reducing operator fatigue across long working days considerably. A custom harvester in Hubei nearly missed his contracted deadline after overnight rain softened the entire field. He pushed forward anyway. The PRO-688Q tracked cleanly through the mud without one single blockage. Job done and contract honored. The 3-way Airstream cleaning system combined with an oscillating sieve means grain arriving in that 1,000-liter tank is genuinely clean and market ready. Versatility is the hidden advantage most people overlook. Stay with me because what comes next surprises those who assume this is purely a rice machine. Here is where things get genuinely interesting, and where most remaining doubt quietly disappears on its own. A cross-region operator who ran the PRO-688Q through an entire intensive harvest season reported maintaining strong uptime with no major repairs required across hundreds of demanding operating hours. That is not a casual observation from a weekend farmer. That is a professional depending completely on one machine every single day and walking away genuinely impressed by what it delivered. An industry analyst covering agricultural mechanization specifically highlighted the machine's one machine, multiple use capability across wheat, rice, soybeans, and rapeseed as a primary economic advantage for small and medium farm operations. One investment earning returns across 4 different crops is an entirely different financial conversation. A machinery co-op manager in Sichuan overseeing 4 units confirmed lower fuel consumption compared to domestic competitors after 200 field hours. No major repairs, consistent, predictable output throughout the season. The most common objection people raise, honestly, is the upfront cost compared to local alternatives. Understandable. But a decade-long operator who personally purchased 5 units over 10 years confirmed the low failure rate and strong resale value justified the premium investment every single time without hesitation. See why professional harvesters quietly keep returning to this machine across multiple seasons. Which benefit matters most to your operation? Comment 1 for field performance, 2 for multi-crop versatility, or 3 for long-term reliability. Join the growing community of farmers and professional custom harvesters who have made the Kubota Harvester PRO-688Q their trusted machine across multiple seasons and diverse crop types. The combination of crawler track stability, axial flow threshing precision, and smooth hydrostatic control packed into one durable machine is genuinely difficult to replicate at this working level. Results naturally vary based on local field conditions and crop variety. The full product link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Click through today and see whether this machine genuinely fits how you farm.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.